Here I've got the LG V60 ThinQ, and I'm gonna show the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see, here we have different settings to manage. We start with this button here. Here we can change the ratio of our picture. As you can see, this is a pretty spectrum of it. I'm going to show you also the full, and as you can see, we can make picture with all of our camera. I'm going to go back to the settings here, and the next one here is the filter. So here we can make our picture more beautiful before we take it. And as you can see, we also have this slider here to change the intensity of our filter. I'm going to stay on auto. And the next one here is the flash. So here we can turn on flash every time we take a picture, turn on auto flash, and also turn it off here. The next one here is the camera timer. So here we can change the delay of taking picture. As you can see, 3, 5 and 10 seconds. I'm going to pick the 3 seconds to show you how it works. And I'm going to take a picture. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 3 seconds delay. And I'm going to turn flash also. And now let's take a look at this button here. Here we can change the mattering. As you can see, that was the ultra wide mattering, then the center weighted mattering, and also the spot mattering. And when we tap on this a little bit longer, we have this slider to manage the zoom. As you can see, this is how it works. And also the next tip here is when we tap on the screen like that, we get access to this slider, and we can make our picture more bright and more dark. So this is the exposure compensation here. And now let's take a look at this slider here. Here we can change the modes of our picture. As you can see, time-lapse, video, photo, portrait, sticker, and more. And here we have access to more modes. As you can see, here we can make king experiments and just have what we need at the scene. And now we go to these settings here. They are more advanced. The first one is a cam. So here we have the intelligent camera, and we can get the auto scene optimizer, so we take photos with the best settings for the scene. And the action shot, so it helps to freeze a moving subject. Composition, so we take a picture by using a composition suggested depending on the person. And tips, so it knows when someone's eyes are closed or if a photo is blurry. And I think this is useful. All of that is useful because the camera helps us to improve our photo automatically. And now we go this. Here we can change the photo size. As you can see, the LG camera has a wide spectrum of sizes, so here we can just making experiments as we need with different sizes and different pixels. The next one here is save as if. So here we can make our photo more have smaller file size when we need. And we go to the useful features. Here we can make live photo. As you can see, this is how it works. So when we take a picture with some subject and go to the preview here, it generates us a short clip we can watch. And now we go back to the settings and go to the tracking focus. This is also very useful when we making pictures in move. So when we tap on our subject, it follows it, as you can see. this is how it works. And the next here are the grid lines, so here we can get access to these lines, and it helps us to improve our photos, for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. And also this is very useful, this shutter, so here when we have this turned on we can make a picture by just one word without touching the phone and the screen. So I'm going to show you how it works. Cheese. And as you can see, it takes picture by just one word. And now we go down. We can also here add signature. So here the LG camera gives us possibility to manage this in a wide spectrum. We can also pick the font here. And it also gives us a preview here, so we can make it like that. And I'm going to show you how it works. So when we take a picture, the watermark is here, as you can see. And now we go back. And also the last thing I want to show you here, there are tag locations, so here we can turn on the location of our picture and save the location. The important thing here, to make it work, we have to be connected with the internet, for example through Wi-Fi, and the location information. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.